Alright, first method is changing DNS on PS4, and for that first you need to go to settings, then select network, and after that select set up internet connection, and depend on your network, Wi-Fi or LAN cable, select one of them and then select custom. For IP address select automatic, and for DHCP hostname select do not specify. But in next section, which is DNS settings, select manual. I recommend you to use Google DNS at first, and if they didn't work for you or you got any problem for network connection, use other DNS which I put them on description. For MTU select automatic, and for proxy select do not use. After that press X button to test internet connection to see if everything is okay and you have connection with internet. Also make sure that your NAT type is 2, and if you have problem for NAT type, it's better to call your ISP to fix your NAT type. Alright, let's go for second method, which is port forwarding. To make sure that you have access to Fall Guys ports on your network, you need to go to library and select internet browser. In URL box search for ping.eu to enter that site. You can also press R3 to zoom in page and then select port check. In IP address or hostname box, enter your IP address, which you can see in the top of the page. For example, here I want to check if the port 80 is open on my network or not. I will put port number 80 there and then enter the code in the box and select go. You can see it's going to say the port 80 is open on your IP. Alright, after that you need to check the ports that they are necessary for playing Fall Guys. These are necessary ports for playing Fall Guys. If you don't have access to this port, you might get problem for finding match, playing with the others, and other problems as well. If you did check them out, for example 3478, and it was closed on your ISP or your IP, you should fix it on your router first. And for that you need to find your router IP address. You can find it on the box of your router or behind it, and enter that IP address on your PS4 to enter your router settings. First of all, it's better to try find firewall on your router. You can find it on advanced setup or maybe somewhere else, it depends on your router, and change the firewall from enabled to disabled, and after that restart your router and try to join the game again. And also, if you still had problem, you can find NAT options on your router and go to virtual server. You can open the ports for TCP and UDP in this section. It depends on your router. Maybe you need to do that separately, or you can do for both at the same time. And after that, try to open the port number on your router. And for that, for example, in this game we need ports from 3478 to 3480, and enter your PS4 IP address in local IP address box. And if you don't know how to find your PS4 IP address, you just need to go to settings, go to network, and then select view connection status. After that, try to enter all ports which are necessary for this game on your router and restart your router and go back to the game, and you will fix the problem for Fall Guys network connection error.